Yeah, it's Lil T, motherfucker.
Motherfucker.
Why sis? In this bitch. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and spit. Why sis? About to hit the big time when I hold my wrists up, make a nigga go blind.
Damn.
When I step out, all I see is sunshine.
Ha.
My money talk, man, I should let it spit a line.
For real?
Ice cream, pay job, come and take a school. I'm a mystery, come and solve me like Scooby-Doo. I stay in my colors, black, white, and blue. If you niggas want it, you can catch me in the loop. 4-8 YSS, nigga, that's the crew.
For real?
Flow sick, too sick for a chicken suit.
Goddamn.
So high in the sky with no parachute.
For real?
My mind talk, man, it only speaks the truth.
Damn.
Yeah, on some strong shit. Hopped out the whip with a badass bitch. Get in the crib and make a bounce on the dick.
Yeah.
And then I take a break and get back in that shit. Pull my swag, got the hat, got a new trick. Big money shit, man, the nigga super rich. I go in my truck and then I go and hit the switch. Riding down the loop playing YSS shit. Yeah. Top back on the lack, bought a $5 sack. I got big 5 stacks. Bitches in my back and our homies in the front. Yeah, we mobbing through the streets and you know we bout to stunt. You fucking haters better start to get the run. And before I get that pistol, had that bitch start to bust. Hurry up, niggas, cause I'm about to get it poppin'. I had your ass dead like that nigga Bin Laden. Money still rising, fame still shining. Always in the front, never backseat riding. Battlefield shit, but I'm the only one surviving. High like a bird, got me fly like a robin. What do you see in front of you? Is a G who is also fucking beast. The beast, his name is Lil T. I'm a beast as you can see. I'm a beast up in the streets. The bitches always up on me. I'm a beast up in the sheets. Put me in the fucking booth and I'm a beast up on them beats. Like a lion in the zoo, man, you know I gotta eat. Shoot my fucking gun crazy till it's you that I don't see. Man, y'all like some damn frogs who too afraid to fucking leave. We some fucking dogs that's about to attack. Y'all new niggas, new shit, man, it's
garbage,
nigga. YSS team, another day, another stack. I'm just warming up like I'm about to run track.
Woo!
Yeah, Lil T, YSS, JBZ, let's go. Shouts out to the Care Fat motherfucker. We just warming up in this bitch. That's how we do it for real. I'm about to go.